Hey, what's up? Mikkel Kislink here now. Welcome back to old-timey boat restoration part 3. I think it's part 3. It's been a while. Got the lower part of the motor right here. Right now we're going to unscrew some screws here up top.
This is the propeller inside here. Actually, it looks okay.
Looks okay?
Yeah. Smell it? It's not that bad. I can see the pump in here. I have to get this part off. I don't know how.
You can probably pry that open.
Wait. This is the metal plate. It's off now. And it's actually looking neat. We just need to clean it up and put it back together. Take this and you can take this off. Nice.
Take it off the vise. Downwards. Alright. It's been a while since I used the vise. Nice and clean. We got the metal plate all cleaned up now. A little smidge of the gasket maker on there.
Try not to look like an idiot.
Well, I failed. Quick recap. We've taken out the lower part of the boat motor. And we've cleaned up the thing that turns around the propeller. Then we've disassembled it and reassembled it. You got gears in there.
Yeah. This is neutral, so we have to put it in neutral to get it back together.
Oh, alright, so that's like a gear stick, basically.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now we just clean this. You can clean this.
Alright, sure.
All the way around.
I'll clean it.
Make it 100% clean.
100% clean, just like my criminal records.
Yes.
Yep.
And I will clean it on the boat.
You clean it on the boat? Alright. Go right ahead.
I'm very excited to see how to put this back on.
We cleaned up the motor, we disassembled the... I don't know what to call this. I'm not that tech savvy when it comes to machinery.
Water pump.
Yeah, the water pump. So yeah, we disassembled and reassembled the water pump. We cleaned it up. It was real gucky. Let's put it back on. Alright, so we have now assembled the motor. Now, we had some trouble with the gears and getting them to fit in there, but it works now. We hope it works. We haven't tried it yet. We're gonna try it. We're gonna put some gas on it. We're gonna see what happens.
It's going to be an issue, I think.
What's an issue?
This big one here.
Yeah.
In this little holder. I think we need
I think we're gonna need a heat tank for that. Alright. Sure. Not every day you want to drill a hole in the boat.
No. Oh. Now it's too big.
Too big?
No, it's perfect.
Alright. Fits just perfectly.
Do it like this.
Gotta screw it in there.
That's nice and tight.
Nice and tight, of course. Alright, here we are. So now what we've done is we've taken off this bottom part of the motor. We've cleaned off the water pump, and from there we've it was filled up with gunk. And we took that gunk out. We degunked it. Yeah, degunked. That's now a word. Well, we degunked it. We reassembled it, put it back on the motor. Now it's ready for the water. Only one thing missing though. We've got to remember our life vests. Now let's get into the work. Now let's get on the work.
Take some tools with us, just
Yep.
in case, you know.
Yeah.
Put it on the boat.
We're gonna bring some tools just in case anything goes wrong. Who knows? Let's hope we won't need them. Hi, here I am, it's me, editing Kislink, which means I forgot to make an outro for this video, but yeah, that's gonna do it for this, well, series, I guess. That's gonna do it for the entire series of old-timey boat restoration. I sure hope you enjoyed it. It was a blast to film. I got to hang out with my dad and I got to restore that boat. And I even got to sail in it for just a little bit, and it was fun. I did thoroughly enjoy that. I would lie if I said I did not thoroughly enjoy that. Oh well. Before this video gets any longer, if you did like it, please do show it by actually pressing the like button. There's a like button on YouTube. Yeah, I don't know if you know that, but it's there. Hey! I'm sorry, it's me editing Kislink. My voice is a bit raspy, whatever, hey. So before this video gets any longer, I am Mikkel Kislink and... Talk to... Bye!